Students, in our last lecture, we have discussed about the magnetic flux, Faraday's law, and self-inductance. Today our topic is mutual inductance. Today we are going to study about mutual inductance. Let us consider two coils, coil 1 and coil 2, placed side by side. Suppose in first coil current I1 passes. Due to this current, the magnetic flux produced around the coils. When this magnetic flux changes, an EMF produced in the neighboring coil, therefore this inductance is called as mutual inductance. In this case, the magnetic flux in the second coil with respect to first coil is directly proportional to current I1. Therefore, magnetic induction phi is equal to m dot I1, where m is the mutual inductance. Here, mutual inductance produced in second coil. Therefore, equation becomes phi 21 is equal to M21 dot I1. We know that Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. What is Faraday's law? EMF is equal to minus d phi upon dt. Therefore, EMF produced in second coil with respect to first coil is equal to minus d phi upon dt. Therefore, E is equal to minus d upon dt in bracket m dot I1, that is E is equal to minus m, which is constant, di1 upon dt. From this equation we can calculate the mutual inductance. Mutual inductance of second coil with respect to first is equal to minus E upon di upon dt, di by dt. This is the equation of mutual inductance. And the SI unit of mutual inductance is Henry. The unit of self-inductance and the unit of mutual inductance is Henry. Now consider the current I2 passes through the second coil. Therefore, magnetic flux changes and EMF produced in the first coil. Therefore, the equation becomes magnetic flux is directly proportional to current I2. अब क्या हो रहा है, सेकंड कॉइल में I2 करंट पास किया जा रहा, तो EMF प्रोड्यूस होगा फर्स्ट कॉइल में. Therefore, phi directly proportional to I2. Therefore, phi is equal to constant M, which is known as mutual inductance, dot I2. Therefore, according to Faraday's law, EMF is equal to minus d phi upon dt is equal to minus d upon dt in bracket m dot I2 is equal to m is constant minus m dot di2 upon dt. Now it may be noted that the mutual inductance of the first circuit is equal to the mutual inductance of second circuit, which is equal to M. Therefore we can write M is equal to magnetic flux of the second coil divided by current of the first coil, which is equal to magnetic flux of first coil divided by current of the second coil. Therefore, we can define mutual inductance as the mutual inductance of the two circuit is equal to the magnetic flux linked with one circuit per unit current in the other circuit. जैसा कि हमने समझा है, म्यूचुअल इंडक्टेंस प्रोड्यूस होता है दो कॉइल्स में जब एक दूसरे के करीब रखी जाए। फर्स्ट कॉइल में अगर करंट को पास करते हैं तो इसकी वजह से जो मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स होगा सेकंड कॉइल में प्रोड्यूस होगा, इसलिए ये कहलाएगा म्यूचुअल इंडक्टेंस। Hence, in general, we can write the equation of mutual inductance as M is equal to magnetic flux of the secondary coil upon current in the primary coil. M is equal to phi upon I. Phi in secondary coil and current is in primary coil. So this is all about the mutual inductance. तो आज हमने क्या सीखा है अबाउट द म्यूचुअल इंडक्टेंस। म्यूचुअल इंडक्टेंस किस तरह से प्रोड्यूस होगा? जब दो कॉइल एक दूसरे के करीब रखी जाए, फर्स्ट कॉइल में करंट को चेंज किया जाए तो ईएमएफ सेकेंडरी कॉइल में प्रोड्यूस होगा, ये कहलाएगा म्यूचुअल इंडक्टेंस। जबकि सेल्फ इंडक्टेंस किसे कहते हैं? सिंगल कॉइल में करंट को चेंज किया तो उसी कॉइल में ईएमएफ प्रोड्यूस होगा, तो वो कहलाएगा सेल्फ इंडक्टेंस। ओके।